In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your MetaTrader 5 account with an investor password. This is particularly useful when you want someone, perhaps a potential investor or a colleague, to be able to view your trades and strategies without giving them full access to make changes. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you manage it smoothly and securely. To start, you'll want to open MetaTrader 5 and navigate to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Your first action is to click on View. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From here, you'll need to select Navigator. This step allows you to access all accounts associated with your MetaTrader 5 platform. Once the Navigator pane is open, look for your account under the Accounts section. Double-clicking on your account icon here will reveal your account details. Now, pay attention because we're entering a critical phase. You'll need to right-click on your account name. A context menu will appear, and from this menu you should select Change Password. This is where you will manage your account's password settings. At this point, you'll be prompted to type in your current password, which is your master password. This ensures that you have the correct level of access to make changes to the account settings. After entering your current password, focus on the password type option that you'll see on the screen. This is where you should select Investor Password Read Only, which is specifically designed for this purpose. Now, you will be required to create a new password for the investor access. Be careful to choose a secure password and ensure that you type it in accurately. You'll also need to confirm it by typing it again, ensuring that there are no typing errors, as this is what will secure the investor access. With your new investor password set, the next step is to gather all the account details that you'll need to share with a person who requires view-only access. You will need the account login number, the investor read-only password you just set up, and the broker server name associated with your MetaTrader 5 account. Once you've gathered all the necessary details, it's important to send them securely to the individual for whom you're allowing access. Email or another secure communication method with end-to-end encryption can be a good way to share this information securely. The person on the receiving end can log into your MetaTrader 5 account by opening the MT5 platform and navigating to the File menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down options, they should select Login to Trade Account. Here, they will enter the account number, the investor password, and the broker server name you provided. Once they've entered these details accurately, they will click OK. This will give them access to view the account activities without the capability to make any trades or changes. And that's it. You've now successfully configured investor access to your MetaTrader 5 account. Make sure to monitor any access you provide